Okay, Chapter 6 review, page 2. So we have number 5 here. Both of these are isosceles triangles, and they're telling us which sides are congruent. So mark the diagrams appropriately. What they're giving us in this bigger triangle is the vertex angle. And let's see. Oh, they're telling us they're similar, so we know that the vertex angle in the smaller one is 34 degrees. So we'll subtract from 180. Subtract 34 from 180 eventually. There you go, 146. So that's what's remaining between these two angles. So then we'll divide by 2, and we'll get 73. So angle H is corresponding to angle J, and angle J is X. So we calculate it to be 73. That's going to be the value of X. Okay. Next one. So you can have isosceles triangles that are similar. All they have to do is have the same vertex angle. And then the base angles will also be congruent. Okay, so we have 50 for the vertex angle in these two, forces the base angles to be 65 each. That's a case where isosceles triangles are similar. In the next one, they're not going to be, so I'm just going to choose a different vertex angle. 70 for the first one, 80 for the second one. Now, the only thing I might do to kind of justify what I have for angle measures is I'll show that they do add to 180 with two of them the same. So I'm just going through right now and making sure that all my work is shown here. So there's no doubt. There it is. Number 7, it is dilate a line. So anytime we dilate a line, the image must be parallel to the pre-image because slope is preserved under dilations. Okay, so we're going to use the same slope. Now the slope on this line that's given is 5/2. So our image is going to have a slope of 5/2. What we're working on now is how we're going to get a point that's on the new line. So all we're going to do, because the center of dilation is the origin, in that case we can just multiply the y-intercept, in this case -3, by the scale factor k, which is 2. And that only works when the center is the origin. If the center is not the origin, we're going to have to do something else. Okay, so now that we've got the y-intercept, we can just put the equation together. Y equals 5/2 x, same slope, minus 6, different y-intercept, and that's the equation of the line. Okay. All right, so for this, they're giving us the similarity statement. That's what this is called. So what you're looking for is, in similar triangles, corresponding angles must be congruent. That's exactly what the reason is going to be. That's all we're going to say. When triangles are similar, corresponding angles are congruent. All right, that's it for page 2.